Welcome to Digital Literacy Simplified. In this video, we'll look at the options on the Windows Taskbar. Windows Taskbar is the central hub for multitasking, providing an intuitive bridge between your desktop and every essential tool you need. The taskbar's primary purpose is to offer immediate access to active programs, frequently used applications and files, serving as a personalized command center that streamlines your workflow by eliminating the need to dig through nested folders or complex menus. Taskbar is located at the bottom of the screen by default and contains several important tools to help you navigate Windows. So let's look at the taskbar screen. To access or customize the taskbar, click on the Windows Start button, go to Personalization, and scroll down the list to find the taskbar. There's a small arrow on the right-hand side of the screen. Click that to open up the taskbar options. We'll use search box on the next slide to have a look at another way to find that. So you can see here we've got some things identified on the screen. We've got a way for it to search in item number 1. We've got the icons that have been pinned to the taskbar in items number 2. Number 3, we have a way to personalize the look on the taskbar, and also on the taskbar on the far end side, we have a system tray in item number 4. So you can use the search boxes off the taskbar itself, or once you open up your settings screen, you can use the search box at the top to look for taskbar settings. These icons that are pinned along the bottom, you'll notice that there's a little line underneath them. Those are apps that are actually being opened and used, and they've been minimized or pinned down to the taskbar. A simple click on those will bring them back to full size. The ones that don't have an icon or a little line underneath them rather are there, and all we need to do is click on those once and they'll open up. So you'll notice I've got one here for disk cleanup and another one for the snip tool, and that'll just open those back up. On the far right side, under item number 4, is your system tray. And it displays icons for system notifications, battery status, your network connection, and the clock. So you can personalize the taskbar just by going to taskbar behaviors. By default, the taskbar is anchored on the bottom of the screen. You can either send it to the left or you can center it to the right. So the taskbar behavior options let you align the taskbar to the left or the center. You can also choose to automatically hide the taskbar. So once it's hidden, you just move your mouse down and it kind of pops back up as you move your mouse down to the bottom of the screen. So in the settings, in the taskbar settings, you'll see a list of options for help files and more information on how to configure the taskbar for your liking. There's even some video there that will help you to get a better understanding of the taskbar. So let's look a bit closer at the taskbar options. So some key components of the taskbar: the start button, of course, the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. Clicking it opens the start menu where you can find installed programs, settings, and other tools. The search box, which we looked at next to the start button, you'll see the built-in Windows search where you can type to search for files, apps, settings, and the web. Pinned apps, these are the shortcuts that we looked at with a little line underneath it to programs you'll use often, like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Word. You can pin apps to the taskbar by right-clicking them and selecting Pin to Taskbar. Open apps, icons in the taskbar that show which programs you have open. You simply click those icons to switch between programs. Task view and virtual desktop. So this is interesting if you're running a couple of different programs and you want them to be in their own screen, you can use task view. It enables you to organize your work into separate virtual desktops, grouping related project windows together to reduce visual clutter and maintain focus. And the system tray, as we mentioned on the right far side, you'll see icons for system notifications, battery status, network connection, and volume control. Switching between apps. So click on the icons of pinned or open programs in the taskbar to quickly switch between them, just a single click. Minimize, maximize, or close. When you open a program, you can minimize it, make it disappear to the taskbar, maximize it, just make it full screen with one click, or close it, shut it down using the buttons in the top right corner of each window. Pinning apps, so you can keep your favorite apps readily available. Just right click on them from the start menu or from the search results and select Pin to Taskbar. And how to pin them is very simple. Just right-click an open application icon on the taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar to keep it there even after closing it. And file shortcuts. So you can also pin specific folders or files by dragging them directly onto the taskbar. Simply click on the folders or files to open them. So in summary, the Windows Taskbar is a central hub for multitasking, providing an intuitive bridge between your desktop and every essential tool that you need. Its primary purpose is to offer immediate access to active programs and frequently used applications. So it's serving as a personalized command center. It streamlines your workflow by eliminating the need to dig through nested folders or complex menus. Hope you found this video helpful. So be sure to like and follow our channel for how-to videos to help you develop the digital literacy skills you need to succeed. Thanks for watching.